Are you looking for the best smartphone? In this video, we will look at one of the best smartphone on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Oneplus Nord N300 5G with MediaTek Dimensity 810 launched. Check key specs and price. Popular Android smartphone brand, Oneplus is back with its latest offering. The premium brand has unveiled its latest device in the Nord series, the Nord N300 in the US. The budget smartphone comes with a 6.5-inch HD Plus display that offers a 90 Hz refresh rate. The all-new Oneplus Nord N300 is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 810 SoC and is the successor to its successful Nord N200 5G smartphone. Interestingly, the Nord N200 has been one of the most selling devices from the brand in the US, accounting for 60% of all Nord devices. The new smartphone sports a water drop notch with an 8MP camera for selfies and video calls. The device features a dual camera module with a 4.8MP primary camera and a 2MP depth sensor. It also has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. On the power front, the phone packs a 5000 mAh battery with support for 33W fast charging. The device runs on Oxygen OS topped by Android 13. The Nord N300 is being offered with 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage that can be expanded up to 1TB. The device comes in midnight and jade color options. The latest Oneplus device is priced at $228 US, which is about 19,000 rupees. In the US, the device will go on sale from November 3rd. As of now, there have been no details regarding the device's launch in India and other regions. When it comes to pricing, in India Oneplus offers the Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G at 19,999 rupees, making it the most affordable device from the Chinese brand. This year, Oneplus launched an array of devices in the affordable segment. In India, Oneplus seems to have a significant presence in the mid-range smartphone market. The brand is reportedly gearing up to launch its next flagship series, the Oneplus 11. Numerous leaks have suggested that the new Oneplus 11 will come with an advanced Qualcomm chip, and bigger and better displays.